Hello guys, this is Matalik. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that next time you may see the new updates. In this tutorial, I'll be taking you in mathematics. If you love mathematics, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that next time you may see the new updates. So hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial we are discussing about a quadratic equation. Definition of quadratic equation is any equation containing one term in which the unknown is squared and no term in which it is raised to a high power. Solve for x in the quadratic equation, which is in the form ax squared plus bx plus c, which is equals to 0, where a, b, c is known numbers and a is not equal to 0 and x is the unknown. There are three methods of solving quadratic equation, which is by factorization, by completing of squares, and by formula. But for today's subtopic is solving quadratic equation using factorization. So let's start with this example. Factorize x squared minus 4x minus 5, which is equals to 0. Remember, the quadratic formula where it comes, it's ax squared plus bx plus c. That one is a, this one is b, and that one is c. So the most important thing in factorization is by finding the product and the sum. So let's try to check out this equation. So a times the c, which is a product. The equation is such that when you multiply it will give you -5, and when you add or subtract it will give you -4. So let's try to look for those numbers. For product, it's there is a coefficient of 1, as you can see. So it's 1 times -5. So it will be 1 times -5, which is equals to -5. That's our product. And so for sum, it's for sum it's 1 times -5. 1 times -5, that's our product, and for sum it will be two numbers when you add or subtract, then that's our sum. So 1 minus 5, which is -4, as you can see there is -4. So our two numbers when we subtract it is 1 minus 5. So in that equation there's a variable x, so there's x and here there's x. So let's try to write down the equation x squared plus that one, it will be x minus for that 5 it will be 5x minus 5, which is equals to 0. Then we are going to look for a common factor. So for a common factor for x squared and x, the most common one is x there. So let's try to group this one. As you can see, then x is common here. X open brackets, x into x, which is x into x, which is plus 1. Then here what's common is negative 5 open, 5 into negative 5, which is x, negative 5 into negative 5, which is positive 1. Then here you have to see this, there must be same, they shouldn't be different. If you find that these are different, it means you have made a mistake somewhere. So let's try to solve. X minus 5 and x plus 5, you get one of the equation there in the brackets. So this we equate it to 0. So it will be x minus 5 or x plus 1. So either x minus 5, which is equals to 0, or x plus 1 equals 0. Then we are going to shift this 5 into that equal, so it will be positive 5, or when positive 5 crosses the 0, it will be negative 1. So therefore x equals 5 and x equals minus 1. So that's our answer. Thank you for watching.